Hello, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial you're going to see this method of making crochet hairstyle. This method is less painful, it is more flexible in terms of moving around and just restyling your hair. It looks natural, it looks like individual braid. It's like taking the illusion method to the next level. Like it's the next level of illusion method. I like it. I saw it first on Horoscope. She used it to make like smaller sections, individual crochet, like smaller sections, box braid, crochet box braid, and it looked as if, like when the hair was packed backwards, it looked as if she braided the individual hairs one at the front, and I fell in love with that style. So when my client came in today, I was so excited to try the hair on her, and it didn't disappoint. Like, she loved it. I have other jobs booked because of this hairstyle, and it's just amazing. So from watching you can understand what I am doing. With the illusion method, when you section your hair to the back, then you start making boxes. You make an individual braid, move over to the next box, add the tail of the previous box, move over to the next box, add the tail of the previous box. The only difference between this and that is that before you make the braid of a box, just like this, you section off about half of it and then pass your latch hook through the crochet hair extension, just like this. Then you pull the hair through that hair extension, so now it's attached to the hair and it can move 360 180 degrees all the way. Now, a mistake I made previously was to, like, after adding the hair to the latch hook, I would use that hair as one leg, the rest of the hair as second leg, and then the tail of the braid from the previous box as the third leg. When I was doing that, I found out that the base of the braid was not tight, because I didn't start braiding it alone. That third leg coming from the previous box, because of the distance it's covering to meet those other two, somehow you will not be able to have a firm grip on the one you are braiding at that time, and you're going to pull the one I just added. Now you might end up pulling it too much. So I like to just braid once, not once, let's say 2 times or 3 times, to make sure I have secured the crochet hair extension onto that particular box before I add in the hair extension from the previous, before I add in the tail of the braid from the previous one. And you can see how this looks. It looks so much better. You know how people complain of this type of crochet that is bulky? I used this on my hair one time. It's over a year ago. I have the video. I will link it at the end of this video. I made the illusion method I was talking about, and I was so happy. But pulling this fat hair extension, this type of crochet, pulling it through that loop of the crochet hair, it's annoying, it's painful. It makes everything more painful because that loop is tiny and then the body of the crochet is fat. So while you're pulling it, the tension on my clients are like, people have always complained that crochet is painful, and it's while passing the hair through maybe the person's natural hair or through that loop. So this cuts off that pain level. It cuts off the discomfort that comes with that. So kudos, I love this style. Shout out to Horoscope. If you don't know her, she's Efe. Her name is Efe. She's amazing. Check out her channel. There are no 2 channels bearing that name, Horoscope, like Horoscope, just Horoscope. Check her out. And at this point, I will let you see. Don't just assume that you are done with the hairstyle. Wait until I get not even the back, the finishing part. where you now have braids coming from different places meeting at one point. If you are not careful there, you're going to have like a ponytail hair extension and you have to latch onto it. So I just used wisdom to complete the braid. I encourage you to watch the back. I didn't section the back like this, and that middle part I had to use another technique. I couldn't finish the whole hair like this because at some point the ones coming from the back, the ones coming from, the lines in the front are more than behind, so I had excess hair. And because my client has a lot of hair too, if I was making this on someone who has like maybe my kind of hair, my own type of hair that's kind of scanty, I will not experience what I experienced with this one. But she has lots of hair, so I had to like find a way to manipulate the ending of the tails. I had like three big chunks. I was worried that it would end up ruining the hairstyle, but we figured it out. Oh god, I didn't fall my hand. I was like, gee. I was happy with the way the hair turned out because this was the first time I was not just the technique, but crochet with someone that has very full hair. Tucking away the whole hair sometimes is your god. So I did a nice job. I can say so. I did a nice job. I will let you see that part because you will just see what I did. Like, you will see the struggle. If you don't watch it when you're braiding or you reach that struggle, then you come back and look for this video, and that day you will not see it by the grace of God. That day you will not be able to find this video and you'll be stuck with plenty hair. I don't know what to do with it, or you just do a wonderful job. And just look at how it looks. It moves so freely. It's not stiff like. And then the hair extension I use is from Darling Hair, Darling Nigeria, and it's the coily twist. This hair is old, not old, but the design. This particular type of crochet has been around for a while, and the coils at the end is fantabulous. It is really, really nice. So I like that, and we're already at the back. I'm going to allow you keep watching because I have nothing to say before I'm going to just keep blabbing everywhere. So guys, leave a thumbs up. I'm not asking you to subscribe, or I'm not asking you to share. All I'm saying is just book the like button. Boom, just that thumbs up. Click on it. It's down under the video. Just click on it. That's all. You don't need to share. You don't need to like. You don't need to share. You don't need to comment. You don't need to just 2 seconds, not what's 2 seconds, a split of a second. Just boop, touch the thumbs up, and that's all I need you to do for me if it's too much, And let me let you finish the video. At the end of the video, I am going to link the crochet method I made on myself. If you want to make this hair on yourself, you can watch that and you will see how it came out. And in that video I styled the hair like 6 different ways, and you're going to see that. If you need styles of how to style this hair, you can watch that video also. And if you have a request of a video you'd like to see from me, I will be very happy to tend to that. That's why I'm here. Thank you so much for the view you were giving me. May God bless you and keep you happy with plenty money, with good health, with love from your friends and family. Take care of your mental health. I attended the seminar today where things I take for granted. Take care of your mental health. Do things that make you happy. Take care of yourself. And I thought by the time I am done with this talking, the video would have been finished, but I'm still here getting to the most difficult part. We are getting to that part. See, I don't want to keep talking up to that place. I want you to just see for yourself. First time reaction. Let's continue.